Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Audi S8. First, make sure your S8 is in Sport mode, which optimizes engine and transmission settings for maximum performance. Next, disable traction control. This is crucial to prevent the system from cutting power during the launch. Finally, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot, preparing the car for the next steps. This setup ensures you get the most out of your S8's powerful engine. With the brake firmly engaged, now press the accelerator pedal completely to the floor using your right foot. You should feel the engine revving and building boost. Look for a clear Launch Control Active message to appear on your dashboard display, confirming the system is ready. It's important to hold both pedals down steadily until you are fully prepared to initiate the launch sequence. This ensures the car is primed for a powerful takeoff. Once you're ready, quickly and completely release the brake pedal. The car will surge forward with incredible force, so be prepared for the rapid acceleration. Continue to hold the accelerator pedal fully down, allowing the S8's powerful engine and quattro all-wheel drive to deliver maximum traction. If you prefer, you can manually shift gears for a more controlled and engaging driving experience, but the automatic system is highly effective. After an exhilarating launch, it's wise to allow your Audi S8's engine and transmission a few moments to cool down, especially after repeated high-performance runs. Always remember to regularly check your tire pressure. Proper inflation is crucial for optimal grip, handling, and overall safety. Also, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your S8 responsibly, and keep it well-maintained for peak performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.